I'm a preacher, so I won't say the other word that some of y'all use. But in order for this ground to be fertile, you got to do some more stuff to it other than just turn it over without any fertilizer, because in our lives, there's always a little fertilizer that comes with us, that comes with the territory. But the problem is, or the benefit is, that as you put the fertilizer with the dirt, it begins to break one another up until the soil becomes conducive to grow something. In other words, until you've had enough fertilizer in your life, you're not going to be able to hear from the Lord. You know why? Because you can't appreciate it. You're not grateful. See, the turmoil, the trials, and the struggles that we go through is to prepare our ground so when the blessings come, we're able to appreciate what God has done for us. Most folks get a blessing and don't even recognize it, can't appreciate it, and therefore lose what God has given them because they keep crying about the fertilizer in their life, and they don't realize that sometimes that fertilizer is necessary for you to fall down on your knees and give God some glory. So the foundation of the dirt, the foundation of God's word, the foundation of knowing who he is has to mix with the foundation of man, which is messy. So when I put man with dirt, I'm breaking up some stuff because I plan to plant some seeds. Because I want to harvest. See, you think you're going through stuff just for nothing. No, you're going through it to become fertile. If it wasn't needed, the farmers wouldn't use it. If it wasn't needed, you know when you go to the store and you got some house plants, and they don't just have dirt. They got potting soil. Because it's already been through a process of dirt and fertilizer. And they present it to you, so then when you go put it in that pot and you put your plant in there, it has nutrients and things that the seed needs to germinate and grow. But see, we miss that as believers. See, we don't understand, so we don't mix our biblical with our dirt. But let me just tell you that man came from what? Oh, talk to me. Preparing for rain.